So for number 2, it says f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 4. And it first of all wants us to find the vertex. So to find the vertex, I'm going to go over the long method first. You have to use the formula x is equal to a negative b over 2a. And this is in regards to the standard equation, ax squared plus 2x plus c. Now ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so then if you notice, b is a negative 2, a is positive 1. So we're going to plug that in here. It's going to be negative b over 2a, and b is a negative 2, and then a is a positive 1. So I'm going to have 2 over 2, which gives me 1. Okay, so the x-coordinate of the vertex is equal to 1. So this means that at 1, the vertex is going to be somewhere on here. Therefore, this is my axis of symmetry. It's two things. It plays the role of the axis of symmetry, and it's also the x-coordinate of the vertex. To find the y-coordinate of the vertex, you have to substitute the 1 in here. So if I have y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 4, I'm going to put 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 4. So I'm going to have 1 minus 2 plus 4, which gives me negative 1 plus 4, which gives me 3. So x equals to 1 when y is 3. So that means I'm going to go up 3, and that is my vertex right here, 1, 3. Okay, so we found the vertex. Now the graph, because my first term is a positive 1, my graph is going to open upwards, but it's going to hit the y at 4, because one of the things they want you to do is they want you to find the y-intercept also. The y-intercept, remember, is when the x is 0. So if this is 0 and this is 0, my y-intercept is going to be 4. So that means that my graph is going to cross the y at 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to cross it here, and it would go the other way like that. And that would be it. Okay, now, the shortcut is to put it into the calculator, and we put x squared minus 2x plus 4, and then you graph it. Now, when you graph it, you see the picture. You see what it's going to look like. Obviously, this has a minimum value, so you're going to go second, calculate minimum, which is number 3. Then it's going to ask you for a left bound, right bound. As long as the little cursor is blinking somewhere to the left, you enter, and then you go right bound to the other side, and you enter anywhere on the right, anywhere on the left, and then you enter again. And look what it tells me. You see how it says 0.999999? That's 1 and 3. So my vertex is at 1 and 3. It's the same thing. And so, and then you go from there. Second table, when x is 1, y is 3. The y-intercept is when the x is 0, which is 4, which is what we got, and then we just graph it. So it's pretty simple to do on the